profits from some option strategies. Here I put together homework examples that I will not put on Google Drive, but I will let you guys follow them. I will do a few examples and plot them. I'll do covered call, protective put, and you already have the bull call spread, get a struggle. I'll leave the strangle to you, and I'll do the call butterfly because this one is a little bit more complex. So let's go ahead and start with covered call. Covered call is where you own the stock and you want to make some extra money from a short call, from the option premium. So you sell the call or you short the call. Either way, we can say right call, short call, or sell call. It can be also a good strategy if you are intending on selling the stock and you just want to make some extra money from selling the option premium. Okay, so short call, I'm going to calculate the payout, the profits from both of those, and then just add them up. So long stock profit, and let's assume current S0 or spot price is 120. So I'm going to calculate profits off of that, and because of that, I'm also going to make my my strike 120. So long stock, short call. My long stock profit will be simple, right? It's going to be my new stock price minus my existing spot price, or the stock price at time 0. So I'm just going to use conveniently the strike prices. Okay, so I'm going to log this so I can drag the formulas. So I'm going to log the strike price, and remember, I'm only logging this using the strike price because I'm making the strike price equal the spot price. Okay, and the reason I'm doing this is we need to have some kind of reference point for the stock price to calculate the profit, right? We can't assume that the profit is going to be the whole value of the ending price of the underlying. The profit is going to be whatever the price is now, your reference point, and the expiration date. So since that's the case, I'm simply referring to 120. Okay, I could have easily just typed in 120, but I don't like that. I don't like typing in numbers. I much more prefer to reference them so then I can change them later. Okay, so this is going to be my profit from long stock if the stock price ends at 50, starting at 120. Short call is going to be, you can rearrange the formula, but what I like to do, I like to simply say, hey, my short call profit is the exact opposite from the long call profit. So I'm just going to say negative maximum, and then I'm just going to calculate the profit if you were long the call. So this is going to be maximum of 0, and the strike price is 120, so this is going to be my call option premium, or ending stock price minus my strike price minus my call price. Okay, and do not forget to log the rows. You don't have to log the columns. If you are in doubt, you can log both, just like I did for the stock price. But because I'm only dragging and changing the rows here, I only need to log my rows for the strike price and the call price. Do not log the ending price. That is going to be our variable. Okay, so this is going to be, I'm losing on the stock if the price is at 50, but I'm collecting my premium. Okay, so covered call profit is going to be my long stock. Okay, so I am losing money because I'm losing money on the stock, but I'm recovering some of it with my short call. Now I can drag this, and here is my my profit for the covered call. Now I'm gonna go. I left the diagram for you guys, so then I can go to chart design, and I can simply go to select data. Oh, and I still have some presets here. So my name, this covered call profit. My ending price is from the prior graph, but my Y values are going to be, I can just drag this, I think. Oh no, I'm just going to select this. And make sure you select it without headers. If you select it with headers, oh, I got some. It's going to act funny. Okay, let's see. Okay, this looks what we saw in class, right? So by shorting the call, you cap your profit potential from the stock. But if you want to, if you, for instance, if this is your retirement account and you need to liquidate the stock anyway, you can simply sell some calls and make some extra money. If the stock goes down, you still lose, just like with any stock. So shorting a call is very risky unless you are intending on selling the stock anyway. Okay, now let's